sculpted in such a way, reconstruction is done in such a way to give a normal look to the breast. So there can be different techniques like volume displacement techniques. Here, like the incisions are given as given in reduction mammoplastic procedures. The defect is taken out and the wound is closed to give a good look to the breast. Also, what we can do is volume replacement techniques, like the lumpectomy is done and the defect is filled up with filler LD flaps. So, to conclude, breast reconstruction in India is done mainly for locally advanced breast cancer. Prophylactic mastectomies are rarely performed in India. Autologous tissue reconstructions from the mainstay in view of the radiotherapy requirement, which is usually always required, and cost considerations. And free tissue transfer can be done with lesser donor site morbidities if facilities are available. Thank you.
One question. Actually, I missed the first part. I'm sorry for that. But regarding this prophylactic mastectomy, what is the extent of the mastectomy, and if there are some ancillary tears, etc., breast tissue, whether that is also removed, or there is a chance of, in spite of mastectomy, whether there is a chance of having malignancy?
The prophylactic mastectomy is done in cases where we think that lobular carcinoma in situ or BRCA1 positivity. The prophylactic mastectomy is not done up to, like, we don't do axillary clearance in prophylactic mastectomy. Only mastectomy is done in prophylactic mastectomy.
You just gave the actual tail.
Yes.
The tail is also removed.
Tail is removed, but clearance is
5%
not.
chances.
There is a?
5% chance of malignancy.
That's what I wanted to know. But it's not absolutely.
No,
like-
not
The
absolute.
screening
Because
has
some
to
breast
go on.
tissue may remain.
The screening has to go on.
Recently, one Hollywood heroine underwent
Ah.
BRCA positivity, and how much it is relevant for removing this? Is it
Accepted method, but nobody, many persons don't accept.
or BRCA positive
It
means
is also not 100%
carcinogenic? Well,
Actually, in the West, DRCA
Yes.
testing is done for everybody. So, especially in family history of breast cancers and when you have early premenopausal, and they all have mammographically detected tumors. So they do not have tumors like us where they're coming in stage 3 and 4. They are all having mammographically detected tumors. A radical mastectomy is hardly performed. It's usually a skin sparing mastectomy. So the whole skin of the breast remains and they just put in a flap. The flap skin serves just for the nipple areolar reconstruction and as a monitoring paddle. And their immediate reconstruction is done for almost 95% of patients.
regarding silicone gel, ma'am, putting a silicone gel, is it a carcinogenic also?
No, lots of studies have been done, but now in between US FDA had not approved silicone. But now even the
European
US
market,
has
European.
approved, and it was always approved in Europe. Long-term studies have not shown any carcinogenic potential.
And what are the alternatives for silicone gels? Nowadays they are using.
So only silicone gel. That is if you're not giving autologous tissue. Otherwise, autologous tissue is the tissue.
What is the cost of this BRCA in India?
Yes.
I don't have an idea. I think they may be able to say how much it costs.
I don't know.
So many.
It's not routinely done, but
It's done here.
No, I think they send it to Bombay.
How long after this reconstruction do you advise chemotherapy?
Can be started immediately.
Immediately. If autologous reconstruction is done, then it is given immediately.
Yes, ma'am, ovarian cancer
The reconstruction, this mammoplasty also will come on the large side to small, because we recently showing so many cases. Reduction. Breast cancer.